Hello. So today I'll be working on a website design, something like this. And if you see here, this is so much interacting. It looks amazing to the eye. If you see the background is motion video, which looks amazing. Here are a few more motion designing banners you can select for your website looks amazing. And this is all you can do with an AI. You don't need to be a developer, you don't need to know everything about the designing. You can use an help of cloud design, and you can literally create the same website, and you can sell this website on internet by posting on it on your social media. And recently I've created few of the website for my clients. I have sold them more than $5,000, and this is something which can be done because this looks amazing. This is different than the normal design we have. This is different than the AI designing we are doing right now with different AI tools, because this is a motion design website which is mostly appealing to the eye, which looks amazing, which is different than the traditional designing. So how? So quickly, I think we can jump up on this video where I'll be showing you how you can create the same similar website in just few minutes. So here, what I'll do is I'll be on the website which is Motionsites.ai, and here you can find amazing design for your website. So for example, if you'll see this one, and here are so many. So you can take inspiration for any of them, and you just need to click on copy. So that will copy the code, and yet then you will go to Cloud AI slash design. Here you will click create a new project. So right now I'm creating a new project, and now it will show something like this where you just need to paste this, and then you will write something like create the same website uh with thing uh I will do it later. So I'll just hit send, and while it's creating the design for me, I just want to show you the other elements which I mostly take from the Dribble. So Dribble is a platform where you can take a UI design elements, you can see the inspiration from there, and you can copy the inspiration by just taking the screenshot and give this screenshot to Claude, and Claude will create that similar for you according to your theme and design. So I will take few of them as well. So for example, if I see what I can take, just to give you an example, for example, this is a website. I'll open this, and I'll go here. I'll see if whatever looks good to the eye, and which I can take. So for example, these are the few sections, and if this is a section which I want to take, I just need to take the screenshot like this. Let me just close this first. Okay, take the screenshot. For example, this is a something I want, so I'll just take the screenshot like this, and I'll go back and we'll see the design if it's created. All right, here we go. It has created the design for me. If you can see, the background is there, everything, the navigation looks same. Here is a logo which I can change always. Here is the view of the trusted team behind, and then how it work. Then we have few other sections as well. So this is a page where we take the inspiration from there. And if I want to update the video, what I'll do is I'll go back to the site Motionsites.ai background, and I will just copy the background from. I can use any of them. So for now, I'll just copy the background which I want to use. So for example, this one, I'll just copy it and I'll go back there and I'll ask use this for. All right, so I think it is already using the video, but if I want to change the banner video, what I can do is I just need to go back there. I just need to go back there. I'll copy any URL. So for example, this is the one I want to, or maybe this is the one. Uh, if I want to use any of the other background, I just need to copy the URL and I'll go back here. I'll ask change the background and I'll give my copy URL. So now that will change the background. There are so many options. You can take any of them. I have used most of them and they look amazing. These are the few videos. And also you can take the images of these videos and you can also go to any video generation tool like VO3 and you can create your own video animation from them. So this is also useful because sometime we need to change or add few things in the video background to make it make it more similar to what we wanted for our brand. So this is something we can do. And now as I have asked Claude AI design to change my background and now it is working on it. So while it is working, okay, so and meanwhile I can take few of the design, for example here. There are few of the design, for example this, if you want to add something like this on your website banner on any of your page, what you can do is you can just take the screenshot. So for example this is something I like, so what I'll do is I'll take the screenshot and I'll go back here and I'll ask add this to add this on right and left side of my banner title. Make sure the colors would follow our theme colors. So I'll paste the image here and I've asked that I want this something like this according to our branding on right and left side. And if you can see here the video has been changed, which looks amazing according to the page. So like this we can change one by one other sections. We can always change the title, paragraph, CTA, navigation, background images, and then we can also change the other sections, which I'll show you as well. So for now, I'm just adding this, add something like this on your right and left side. I'd hit send, and like this, I can have many inspiration. I can change the design of my other section like this by just giving the uh, screenshot. And similar for the other sections, you can always take the inspiration from Dribble, and you can take the screenshot of any element and then give it to your Claude design and ask it to add it on your any section where you wanted to add it. So similar for the content, you just need to go to the chat GPT, Claude AI, or just give it your prompt that I am creating a SaaS agency and these are my services. I want you to analyze my services and create and update the content of my website. This should be the title, this should be the paragraph of the banner and the other things. So Claude Design will do all of these things for you. If so, see this. I have taken the screenshot which was totally different, but the idea is something which I wanted to be there on my banner. So if you can see here, it has added those on left and right side, but according to my theme design. And this looks amazing. I can take any screenshot if this is a SaaS agency or this is something. So I can add some of the tool logo here that look amazing, and the other sections. So this is how, and if you'll see, it has adjusted so that it do not interact with the background, and I can adjust the placing of these assets. I can paste them just below this, after this, or maybe in the next section. So this is how you can create an amazing design website. You can always go here, edit it. You can always export it, and once you'll export it, it will give you zip folder of all the files created, and then you can use anti-gravity to make further updates on your website code if you want it. But before that, you can always change anything from here on your website, and like this you can create an amazing website. If I'll click on, and this is the preview right now, and if I'll show you on the full screen, so this is how it look like. There is a video background, there is a sections where I recently added few other sections, and this is how it look like. So yeah, this is the way you can create an amazing design. And if I can show you other design elements, if you see this, you can create similar to this. This is for 3D portfolio where you can have your own portfolio look like this. This is an other website design inspiration, and this is also look, this also looks good. So there are so many design inspiration you can take, and you can start from there. You can take the videos. If you want to update the video, you can update it from Google VO3. You can use it. You can update the video, and you can create the images around your theme, and then you can add them from Google, from Cloud Design on your website. And these are the type of website which you can sell for more than 300 $3,000, $5,000, and you can post them on your social media, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, and clients will reach out to you because these it looks amazing. And these are the different layout and designing, which took so much time while you are designing this on Figma, but now with the help of Claude and other inspiration elements, anti-gravity for the coding side, you can create your own website for your brand. So you can change the content, you can have Claude to decide. You just give the reference to to Claude, and Claude will create the content for you for all the pages. So this is how you can create all the pages one by one. All pages will appear here. Export the zip and start building it, updating it with anti-gravity, or update it from here. and make your website live in just few, I would say 10 or 15 minutes. This is something you can do. So that was inspiration, and thank you for viewing this my video, and please subscribe so that I can bring up similar ideas for you. Thank you.